Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove AI from WhatsApp. Now here, when you open WhatsApp application on your phone, here you can see this Meta AI button. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the chat between you and the Meta AI. Now simply, if you want to message anything, you can say anything to the AI, then send it like so. And if you want to hide this button, what you should do is simply go back, and once you are in the messages, click on these three dots on the top right side, then go and choose settings. And after that, you should go to chats right here. Then what you should do is to scroll down until you find here an option saying Meta AI button, and after that you should toggle this option off by clicking on this button right here, like this one right here. But if you cannot find it, you can simply go and try to update the application on your phone. So here in my case, I will simply search for the Play Store, and if you are using the iPhone, you can simply search for the App Store. But here in my case, I will simply go to my Play Store, update the application, and now after making the update, you can now click on open right here and do the same steps in order to get to the Meta AI button and remove the button from this section right here. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.